What are the challenges you would like to address?
Nervousness.
Nervousness, okay, that's a good one. Yes. Yes. What else?
Fingers getting tired.
Yes. Tension, right? Tension is
And
exactly.
can't play for very long, complex.
Exactly. And that goes in a lot of fields also. It's a way of approaching the guitar, even a way of being, even lifestyle, etc., etc., etc. Body posture. It goes hand in hand. What else? Okay, maybe we could start off by maybe you could bring up a passage which is maybe difficult for you to approach. Any passage from the repertoire we can discuss about that.
Developing speed.
Developing speed, okay. Speed is a consequence. Speed is actually, it's not, you are developing certain patterns which go into your brain and to the cognitive, to the kinesthetic memory of your body. So it's very important to work slowly and work in the correct proportions, right? And you have to exaggerate things, you have to exaggerate dynamics, accents, even movement for the brain to understand it. We'll go into that in deeper detail. And dynamics, rhythm must be accurate, also when it's practiced slowly, because what happens, guitarists, when you go to an easy passage, then it's very easy to hurry up, because it's easy. It's a psychological thing. And another thing with tempo control, very general point, is that guitarists, even all musicians, that's our challenge, because when we're getting excited, our heartbeat gets faster, and it's a kind of biological thing. We get faster all the time, so you always have to think slower. You always have to like hold your horses, literally hold your horses, you know, and control the tempo, control the downbeat. Always arrive a little bit, hold the downbeat back, arrive a little bit later at the downbeat, especially at important beats, accents or studies. Syncopes, you name it. Yeah. And so when you have worked that out, actually, theoretically, when you have the technique worked out, lightness in your technique, and minimal effort, right? Like less tension, the brain can reproduce it as fast as you want. That's not the problem, right? The problem is the grassroots level. If you don't have that worked out, it's going to be very difficult to achieve very high speeds, right? Because if you have some things which are a little bit chaotic there, when you have rolling the machine a little bit faster, it's going to magnify. It's going to intensify even the chaos, right? So if you do I am, 2 times on each space. I am, I am, I am, I am, I am, I am, right? Now we can add from the 5th fret, from the first finger on the 5th fret. Why am I working on 5th fret, not the 1st fret? Actually, it's more comfortable. You know, because the hands are, it's so funny because, you know, I feel like you're going to be teachers, some of you. So in many teachers' books, it's always in the first position, right? But check out the frets, they're further from each other, right? They're more closer together here. So it's like less effort for the hands, like less stretching. This is like even extension for the hands, right? That's a long space. That's why, for example, it's better I use fingerings like 1 and 4th finger for the 3rd fret. Because it's more comfortable for the hand, it's more natural. If I do it like this with the hand, and I don't have to do this, right? There's an extra effort, so I'm using a different type of finger. So if we would start here, it's a very comfortable position. So if you would apply the same thing you have in the right hand, I'm maybe jumping ahead, you have to forgive me, but anyways, yes. Can somebody ask this? These are some papers with a list of common principles for the left and right hand. Or guidelines. I prefer to call them guidelines. Principles is maybe sounds a little bit stiff, you know, you should be creative with that. But this is developed by, has been strong from the Cuban school of guitar playing and has been extensively revised by my teacher Marco Mario, which I studied with in Montenegro. And these are common guidelines for left and right hand. This is one of the last pages. And it will, if you will, it could create a system of playing. So you're not experimenting each and every piece, right? I mean, at least me, since I was a kid, I always yearned for a system of playing. Because I felt I was experimenting with each and every piece, right? Experimenting with technique. Of course, each passage is in its way a technical challenge or a technical exercise, if you will. That's why I would like all of you to think about today. Please bring up difficult passages. Because for each and every one of us, it can be a technical exercise. When I was studying at Oegmundur University, I used to watch all classes. All. Why? To get see what is happening in the guitar repertoire and what solutions are possible, and to know the passages, difficult passages. So this system can maybe help you to generalize some things, right? It's like coordination, right? It's very difficult to coordinate the left hand with the right hand, especially if the left hand is all over, right? If you want to control it a little bit more and synchronize it a little bit more. So one thing I'm doing, if you notice, do you notice I'm doing any special here? Because when they're all pressed down, you just have to lift. It's not enough in guitar performance. Everybody's thinking like you just have to put the fingers and that's it. But you have to leave it. You also have to. The biggest problem with guitar performance is not to put the fingers, it's leaving the fingers. What's happening? It's like making noises. It's making a lot of chaos a little bit. You know, it's a leaving of the fingers. It's many times the problem. Also preparing for the shift, etc. Not only placing them. So, if I'm with already all the fingers down, I just have to lift. And it helps with the coordination of the hands. Trust me, count this out and practicing has proven it. So, but why only 2, 3, 4? Why not all together? Huh? Why not? What's the difference between this and this?
It's more connected.
Exactly. It's more
Gives you more time.
Huh?
Gives you more time before you release it.
It's more connected, you give more time. Right. More flexibility. It's like, you know, this beautiful antique furniture, you know, it's the drawers are nailed like this, you know, they're interwoven, or like a brick wall, right? So, I mean, we'll come back to that later. What is legato? What meaning is it? What significance does legato have for guitar? What is it?
That's what it is.
Exactly. But what is it? I mean, explain it. What's
Smooth and
it?
connected without any gaps.
Exactly, without any gaps. In the guitar, there's a lot of gaps, right? Because in the guitar, this is not legato. I mean, you would say, okay, staccato. There are many degrees of staccato. Would you say this is legato? Would you say?
Not fully.
Not fully. Right. It's like it's at its best non-legato. It's written almost like this. A pianist would write it like this. Can you see? Like a dot and a line over the dot. That's a non-legato. Or maybe at best, you write a group of 4 notes, and it's like dot, lines, and maybe a legato mark over it. But still it has the dot also, because it's not perfectly, because the sound, the note, the duration of the note, right? Acoustical duration is not overlapping perfectly, right? This is non-legato. It sounds almost continuous, but there's of course a small gap for the attack, right? So you want to, like in a piano, I mean, when we have, I think, you play piano, right? How do you make a legato on the piano? Between 2 notes. Just explain between 2 notes. How do you connect 2 notes on a piano?
Place the first note, and then before I leave, I'll place the other.
Exactly. She's tying virtually the notes together. You're overlapping the notes, right? And you're talking about now without the pedal, right? Yeah? You don't have the pedal pressed down. So that's the thing, guys. That's the overlapping of notes. That is what really legato. I mean, I'm thinking about the other day. This words. Legato is just okay, what is it? What does it mean for us? Our work, our technical work. Legato is this overlap. And I'm stressing it because it's how we choose figures. Did you ever think about, maybe this is not legato. This is maybe a little bit closer to legato. Because you don't have this attack in between. But 2 notes, you would call it pull off or slur or for this legato bow. Right, or let's say here. But you can also do, it's quite similar. It could be slurred on 2 strings, and that's also a very helpful thing for fingers. If you have a passage which is requiring certain articulation, it's very difficult to reach for a slur on 2 strings, right? Because it's already very similar sound.